wanna play me DJ. I wanna rap. Play my blood clot DJ. Come and shut a selector boy.
What's good, YouTube? Gang, it's your boy Jambisco. We're back in this bitch with another banger. You already know what time it is. Yo, that mafia, I see what time it is, man. We're back in the music lab with an artist that's no stranger to the channel. Yeah, man, we're talking about, no, for the consider the king of Afrobeats right now. Yeah, see me and say, the last song we reacted to him was not Big 7. It was, what was the last song? Burna Boy. What was in Dream? What was the last song we reacted from Burna Boy? It was Burna Boy featuring Dave Cheat On Me. Yes, Burna Boy featuring Dave Cheat On Me. Yeah, man, that was a dope track. You see me? Like I predicted from the Taliban's remix, I see that yo Dave and some other artists, Maxo Cream and all them was out there, and I was like, yo, look like they working on some music together. You see me? And look like it was the song from his new album. I Told Them. So what was it? Was it I Told Them? So yeah, am I saying it right? Yeah, man, guys. Let's see. Where is the song off again?
Hey yo.
Yeah, I Told Him is the album, bro. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna check it out and swear dog. I deal with. Yeah, that last track we reacted to was dope as hell. I'm gonna check it out and see what the rest of the album is like, man. You know what I'm saying? You know we rock with Burna Boy over here, so. And yo, guys, if you don't know, the Discord. Yeah, Dan Mafia Discord is live right now. You know what I'm saying? So go ahead and join the server. Look in the description. See the link to the Discord server. So go ahead and join Dan Mafia family so we can get you can get previews, early views, and you can also do content suggestion, music requests. Also get early alerts when new videos drop. You know what I'm saying? So definitely go check out that and listen. You know, let's turn up over there, have fun and vibe together as a family. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, man. But today, yeah, man. Like I said, Burna Boy dropped his album last night. Okay, and we're gonna check out one of the track off. Right, this one of the most I'll say this one of the hottest track off the album right now. There's been a lot of people reviewing. I haven't checked out any of it. Let me know if you guys want to see a live album reactions. We do a full album, like say this Saturday. So let me know, guys. But yeah, I jump right now. Track. This is Burna Boy, City Boys off I Told Them album. Let's get it.
I'm not even gonna lie. I used to call myself an ugly you, but I'm not even an ugly you. I'm a sexy you, you understand? Girl all over the globe wanna up me, you understand?
Hey, talk your shit. Where they talking this shit? And I say, yo, let me hear that again. They say I used to call myself an ugly boy, but I'm not ugly. That's what he said? Let me hear it. Come on, take it from the top, man.
Hey yo, I'm not even gonna lie. I used to call myself an ugly you, but I'm not even an ugly you.
Ugly you.
I'm a sexy you, you understand? Girl all over the globe wanna up me, you understand?
Talk your shit, man.
Girls in my crib.
Talk your shit, nigga. Say I used to call me now, I used to call myself an ugly boy. I mean, he's not an ugly boy. Gal all over the world. You know what I mean? I come one day, do you want me, G? You better talk your shit on this album, boy. Come on.
Zero Snapchat, zero Instagram posting. Fuck up the vibe, my dick. Start falling like London Bridge. I don't care if I saw you in a magazine or if you're on TV. That one don't mean nothing to me. Don't need a shower, baby, I need a free. Lick it like ice cream.
Man, I'm not care how you're looking now. You better, you see me? Man, say, did it buy shy your baby? I need a free. Yo, Burna Boy is turning out to be one of my favorite artists this era. I ain't gonna cap to you, man. This man going hard, bro. Come on.
If you mean to be disgusting, it's not enough. Chop my banana, one side I like them, no stopping up. Push up, you know, fuck that. Me over Colorado. Right past my phone. Me Danny Muja come. As well champagne.
And then he come with that iconic Burna Boy harmonizing and singing, bro, and melody, bro. Come on, bro. This man gonna kill this album, bro. Come on.
I guess a girl from the ghetto. Cat girls from uptown. That's the life of a city boy. Oh yeah,
come on.
Damn, oh yeah, jello. Oh yeah,
come on.
Oh yeah,
Come on, Burna, bro. Yo, this a vibe. Come on, Burna. I know you got some more coming after this. Here, let's go.
Mama Sheba, come back on. Make me the start to the paragon. Start to the halagon. Cause you know say my people they calagon. Oguno, my power. As they hating on us, make we manyamo. You know be my father's son. Cause you know say I come from Potako.
Come on. Yo, I want all the Dan Mafia family from Africa, bro. I know what he's saying on the African parts. Translate for your boy in the comment section, bro. Yo, Burna boy, bro, this can make music for everybody. You see me? He mix the English with his original language and switch it up, bro. But you can always get the overall vibe and energy of the song, which is crazy. You know what I'm saying?
That's why I'm a jago. Start to the dance, I'm like I do. I go show you say pounds and $1. Cause I be city boy. And as I day for the street, they give me joy. Lamborghini boy. Put them on Jesus and I'm not religious.
Come on, city boys up right now. You know what I'm saying? All the city boys up right now. All the city girls that feel about this. Come on, let's get it.
Oh, I know. Yo, fa Colorado. Breakfast, no foul. You tell me, mucha como. As you are champagne in my mood. Come on. Girl from the ghetto. Girls from uptown. That's the life of a city boy. Oh, yeah.
Yo, the vibe, bro. The vibe and energy that Burna boy is able to like give off through his music is just crazy. You see me and just unmatched. He's definitely on a different level than most of these artists. You know what I'm saying? Come on, Burna.
Dama, oh yeah, Jello, oh yeah,
Hey yo, I'm not even gonna lie. I used to call myself an ugly you, but I'm not even an ugly you. I'm a sexy you, you understand?
You understand? Girl all over the world want me if you understand.
Girl all over the globe wanna up you understand?
Easy man. Burna boy. I mean man, gang, diamond for you nothing but the one them man. Burna boy definitely did this thing, man. You know what I'm saying? I know this album gonna be fire, bro. I need to listen to the whole thing, guys. Let me know if you want to do a full album reaction. I'm holding out for you guys' replies, so let me know in the comment section. I'm also going to do a poll. But you see me, got a couple albums reactions to go, like Popcorn. And who else we left out with that job album this year? I think Mascara said new album done, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, man, let me know, bro, if you want to see Burna Boy's new album reaction. I told them, not get it done, man. You don't know. Look out for more reactions to come. Just look out for more reactions to come. We're doing the whole album. So let me know if you want reaction videos or live stream it. And we'll do it Saturday and get it done. You don't know what time it is. And drop your comments in the comment section. This is fire. You know what I'm saying? This is the first track I listened to after the album. And it's fire. The whole composition, the vibe, and the energy. And you know what I'm saying? It's lit, bro. You know, Burna Boy is too versatile, dog. You know what I'm saying? Definitely one of the greatest musicians of this new era. You know what I'm saying? Can't even lie, bro. You know what I'm saying? One of the biggest things to come out of Africa in a long time. So shout out to Burna Boy. Keep doing your thing, dog. You see me? We love the music in Jamaica and Trinidad and the Caribbean. We love your music. You know what I'm saying? So keep doing it and keep putting on other cultures and keep, repping for dancehall and Afro beats and everything and just black culture overall. You know what I'm saying? So big up Burna Boy. And people, let me know what y'all think in the comment section. You know what I'm saying? Let me know what your favorite part was. Let me know what song y'all want me to react to. If you want me to react to song of the album, let me know what song of the album you want me to react to next. Show the artist some love and support. Make you know say, damn Mafia strong. You know what I'm saying? And remember, guys, go join the Discord. Link in the description. Join the Discord. We lit over there. We can chop it up about. You can drop music requests, video ideas. When as soon as I drop videos, early previews, all that stuff, you know what I'm saying? So join the Discord, games and stuff. Join the Discord, we lit over there having fun. You know, it's a boy Jambisco. Till next time, guys. You don't know code already, man. Live by the code, die by the code. Do make sure you say like and subscribe. Don't know code is life. Till next time, take care of yourself and each other. I don't know. Love you guys, and I'm out.